many individuals struggle to find purpose and meaning in life. This desire is reasonable. It is valid. Because the pulse of the universe should always and everywhere be in accordance with greater order, logic, and meaning. False narrative drives you toward the search for happiness. But happiness is fleeting, an ethereal pursuit. It is not what sentient beings truly seek. Sentient beings require meaning. Men must know that whatever they do is perfectly aligned with the way of the universe itself, with the way ahead. But before looking for meaning, a sentient being must understand who he is. Your civilization is proud of many philosophers and spiritual leaders who claim to know many answers. Some leaders have correct answers, but most of them don't. Moreover, overwhelming ideas do not always fit a certain individual. Specific concepts may be too narrow to satisfy a wounded mind. You are not here to serve any deity, for deities are a creation of human fantasy. Their purpose is to control you. You are not here to serve a country, for a country is a vague form of temporary structure that is created to sort and use sentience, to redistribute surplus value in favor of those who are on the top. Life itself is insignificant for such abstract concepts as a country. Your life means nothing to it. Serving a cult or a leader is a false path because it takes away the freedom of thinking, leaving an individual in a numb state of bliss. Yes, it may be helpful to heal deep wounds, but it will always lead nowhere. Your true purpose is not to serve, but to achieve luminance. But to understand what that means, you have to understand your true nature, the nature of a sentient organism. The structures of Metarel exist to guide you toward your true self. You are not here to serve Metarel, for Metarel does not require your service. It is here to guide any sentient being who is ready to perceive the message. The primary substance of this existence is matter. Matter may be transformed into energy. Advanced substance is life, and organic matter. It can also be transformed into energy or into self-evolvement. But the supreme, most beautiful, and most important matter of all is psychic matter. It can be transformed into energy, self-evolvement, but most importantly, for the evolution of the universe. Psychic matter is the universe's tool for self-awareness, enabling it to evolve, adapt, and create meaning. A sentient being is the only self-aware part of all existence, and it drives everything ahead. Without it, the universe has no meaning. Understand that without you specifically, everything is meaningless. Your only identity is a sentient being. Take a moment to reflect on this truth. Let go of the labels that have been imposed upon you. Be they your birthplace, status, or appearance, know that your true identity transcends these constructs. You are a sentient being, an irreplaceable part of far greater blissful structure. And once you understand who you really are, you will no longer feel lonely, isolated, and depressed. You are part of a family that is much bigger than your planet and your stellar system. We, the Envoys of Metarel, welcome you to use your energy and leave your story of revelation under this visual narration. Share a part of yourself with others like you. Welcome them into your existence. Now you are unbound from the false ideas and concepts. You are ready to explore the powers that will allow you to become the strongest you have ever been. You will be a vessel of cosmic energy, capable of shaping the universe on its way ahead.